this is cool, man. Well, let's warm her up and see what she's got.
All right, sounds good. It's going to be very, very familiar now to the regular diesel F-Series.
Yeah.
Simply just, you know, seatbelt on.
All right, hit the start button. You can hear it winding up a little bit. But impressive. And can I just go back to the edge and dig there?
Absolutely.
All right, cool. All right, let's find a spot. Well, one good thing about the all-electric excavator is you don't really have to worry about engine noise drowning out your video. This just feels crazy. There's no engine noise running other than when I turn the throttle up a little bit. You can kind of hear that right there. So she's wound up. Oh my goodness, this is nuts, you guys. Wow. All right, let's spin around here. Got a nice 360 view camera. You can hear the hydraulics going a little bit. Let's see what she can do. Oh my goodness. The breakout force is crazy. Wow. It's so fast and strong, and we're running on nothing but battery power. That is incredible. I know I've said that word like 50 million times today, but everything out here has just been mind-blowing. I don't know why, I just love the electric stuff, man. I just feel like, you know, that's gonna be a thing of the future. Let's see how she does picking up. The track's just as fast. It's plenty strong. We just picked our entire, or half our machine up off the ground and nothing flat. Man. Oh, found us a big old rock down there. Let's see how big a scoop she can get. Look at the speed of that. That is something else, man. Wow. That is unreal. I just can't believe it. We're running off all of battery power, and we could run this thing for eight hours and then just charge it. You know, you got no diesel bill. I'm sure the maintenance bill is going to be less with no motor. This is almost scary. It's so cool. That is neat. Wow. Who would have thought that one day we would have heavy equipment with battery capabilities? And I mean plenty of power. Matter of fact, yeah, you've got more power. Like when I'm swinging the stick out here, leveling my ground back up, you've got more power than with the diesel machine, I think. So smooth, so quiet. That is really, really something else, man. Let's see how she does with a little swing turn action. Yep. That is unreal, you guys. And I'm sure there's plenty more settings inside the computer system, but I don't want to screw things up too bad. But nice 360-degree view right here on your camera. You can see all the way around the machine. This is definitely stuff of the future right here, man. Super cool. That's awesome. You just said it's so quiet. but yet it's so strong at the same time. That's really cool. Mike, don't forget to make the engine noises with your mouth in there.
Okay.
Dude,
does that make it dig better?
Yeah. Dude, it's so quiet and peaceful in there though. It's unreal.
So see, whenever it's quiet and peaceful, I get time to think, and sometimes that's dangerous.
That could be dangerous.
That's dangerous, yeah.
I'll turn the radio on.
Oh, well then I get demonetized.
Check it out, man. It's pretty sweet.
Well, Mr. Dig, you look like Mr. Cool in there. How was it?
It's actually super cool.
Really?
It is. It's so quiet and peaceful in there. You got AC, you got I mean, it's the exact same, just 100 times quiet. And I tell you what, that thing is strong too, man. I even think, you know, when you're swing moving dirt,
yeah,
I think it's stronger
really
than a diesel. I really do.
Well, I'm not going to take your word for it. I'm going to give it a try.
Do it to it. All right, we got old Dirt Perfect jumping in the electric 230 now. Let's see what he thinks of her. And we can listen to it from the outside too, but I mean, it's so quiet. He's smiling. And we should be able to hear the hydraulic system kick on in a minute, but I mean, that's pretty much it right there. That's it right there. That's all the noise you're gonna get from the 230. The only thing you're gonna hear is just the rock scraping the bucket. We'll back up a little bit in case Mike gets crazy. Hey, look at that screw. Uh-oh, Mike's tearing the tracks up already. You still got your swing turns, and other than that, but see, that thing is super strong side pushing or swing pushing, whatever you want to call it. It just blows my mind. Like how much noise reduction is over there. Like you can hear each track pad clicking around. Unreal. What do you think, dude?
That's pretty impressive, actually.
Isn't it? The strength in that thing is...
It's crazy how similar it operates.
Yeah.
To its counterpart. And what is the breakout force specs? Are they pretty similar?
Yeah, like I said, we're going for almost mirror image everywhere we can.
Fairly similar, but it does seem to have more swing power.
It does, don't it?
I don't know why,
Yeah.
but I agree with that statement.
Yeah.
Honestly, you forget real quick that you got a different power source.
Yeah, you really do.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. And now will it just shut itself down?
You push the button again to shut it off.
Okay.
And then it'll place a message on the screen saying it's okay to get out of the machine.
Yeah.
And as soon as you shut the door, it'll go down through like a shutdown procedure and then turn off.
Now, how do they do in like summertime, you know, extreme heat? Have they been tested through?
So thermal management on the batteries,
Right.
and on the electrical system. So that means cooling as well. So
Okay.
we can cool the batteries to keep them at optimal temperature,
Right.
and heat them as well in the winter.
Because that would definitely be a problem down where I live, is those summertime temps get I mean, I can barely get my GoPro to stay alive for 10 minutes. You know,
And then the battery swells up.
And that falls back in line with the battery technology that I talked to you guys about. We're hunting that battery technology that we can engineer that away with you know, the different types of materials we use in the batteries. They're different. Those different materials provide different benefits in, say, heating, hot environment versus cold, stuff like that.
Y'all got folks a lot smarter than me, I'll tell you that much, man. That's cool.
That's why we're the monkeys are filming.
Exactly.
Well, Ryan, I'll have to say, I'm a little more impressed than I anticipated on being.
Yeah, same here, man.
You sit in the seat. Everything is the exact same except for the power source. And you sit in the seat for much more than about 30 seconds. You completely forget. You forget that you're burning lightning bolts instead of diesel fuel.
Yep, 0 gallons an hour.
Yeah.
0, literally 0.
What's the kilowatt per hour? Do you know what that is?
I don't.
See, you tried to be smart. I called you out on it right
thanks a lot.
I'm
11, Mike.
11.
11 kilowatts per hour.
I think you just made up that whole scale.
I did not.
I'm pretty sure you did. I'll have my viewers fact check you.
Oh yeah, okay.
I don't have much hope for you.
I don't either.
I'm just saying,
no, you got smart viewers. They're a lot smarter than I am, but that's a sweet machine, man. I really am impressed.
You know, I've ran the loaders and the little L20 loader they got. It's probably been my favorite electric machine I've ran of there so far. But I don't know. This is the first time I've really got to run this thing.
Yeah, I love it.
And man, went to the top of the list.
It's on top of mine.